So the second method we can use to separate the fixed cost and the variable cost out of a mixed cost is the method of least squares, or regression method. Whenever you read the book, you're going to see they show you how to do it by hand, but truthfully, to do the regression method by hand is very cumbersome and basically almost impossible whenever you get a ton of information. So we're just going to do it using Microsoft Excel. So to do that, the first thing you'll probably have to do, unless you've done this in your stats class before, you have to go to the File and then click the Options button here, and you're going to go to Add-ins. We need to add the Analysis Tool Pack. It's probably for you in the inactive application add-ins. So whenever you do this, go ahead and click the Analysis Tool Pack, click Go here. You can add any of these four, but for this course we're just going to use this Analysis Tool Pack. So go ahead and click that and then click OK. And what you'll have now, if you go to the Data tab, you'll have this column Analysis, and if you just click the one, you'll only have the data analysis, and that's what we use to do the regression. So we're going to go ahead and click the data analysis, and then click regression, click OK. You won't have any information in here, so let me go ahead and delete that. So the y-axis is just our total cost. So what we want in the y is, in our case, E6 through E11, the total cost, and then for the x-axis we want our number of units produced. So for us it's D6 through D11. The output range, you can either put it in the same worksheet underneath, which is what I would advise, or you could make a new worksheet or a new workbook, but I think it's just as easy to just put it underneath. So let's do C13 through C20 or F20 or so. So then whenever I click OK, I'm going to get a number of information. Most of this, for now at least in this lesson, is not going to be very important. The only thing we're going to be looking at here is the intercept and the x variable. The intercept is, for us, the fixed cost, and you see it's $50,000, just like the example we used earlier in this lesson. And then the x variable is the variable cost per unit. So just like earlier, it's $10. So what we'd get from this is, we know now that the formula is total cost equals 50,000, which is the fixed cost, plus $10 times the number of units.